Hello, my name is Braulio Visconti, and now I take about of clothing and footwear industry in Mexico in times of pandemic. My needs in recent years with the arrival of the pandemic in Mexico, the economy of Mexican families was hit hard, so their main needs were reduced, and they stopped thinking about what clothes to buy in order to think about what to eat and that to buy in supermarkets. A clear example of this is that the last year sales fell by 60% in the clothing and footwear industry, while the homies industry increased its sales by 1.9%. Yes. This pandemic create new opportunities. Although the pandemic has affected the Mexican economy a lot and has had many cons, there are also several areas of opportunity that companies can use to improve and stay out of innovations. In recent years, technological advances have grown by leaps and bounds, so new business and new ways of trading merchandise uh, have been created. A very valuable option for the clothing and footwear industry is only sales. Yes, which altered already existed. The interest in recent year, uh, the last year, and especially with the pandemic, only shopping has increased a lot. Well, in recommendation, it's recommended to be at the forefront in terms of these new technologies so that the company doesn't fall bait and can enter new markets that perceived it had not thought to before. This can be done by saying that threats there are today in 4 years. Internet sales page and having your own website to sell online. In conclusion, the pandemic has brought bad things, good things, and many new are of opportunity in the market. So companies must identify these are of opportunity and exploit them in order to stay out from the competition, and even more importantly, not clothes be blamed for the pandemic. This all. Thank you for your attention.